Two COVID vaccines enter human testing in Germany and United Kingdom. Yes, my dear friends, you read the title very right. Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Singh Tomar. I am a 4th year MBBS student here in SRMS IMS Bareilly. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you about all the latest research and all the latest update about the coronavirus vaccine, what all research is going on to develop the coronavirus vaccine and to control this pandemic and to treat coronavirus. So you will be very happy to know that 2 coronavirus vaccines have entered human testing clinical trial in Germany and in United Kingdom. All the information which I am going to provide in this video is 100% authenticated. I have taken all the information from the various articles and various research paper. I am posting the link of the articles, research articles in my description box. You can go and click the link to know in deep about all research which is going on. Germany and UK have approved their first coronavirus vaccine trials. Germany has authorized the first clinical trial of a coronavirus vaccine. Officials have also said that first human test will begin in the end of the April 2020. The health minister of the Germany, Jens Spahn, you can see in this picture, he is the health minister of Germany. He has announced the first human clinical trial for coronavirus vaccine. The Paul Ehrlich Institute in Germany, which regulates the development and authorization of vaccine in Germany, has given the green light for the clinical trial, for the first clinical trial of BNT162b1. Yes friend, this is the name of the vaccine, BNT162b1, which is developed in Paul Ehrlich Institute in Germany. It is a new vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It was developed by a pharmaceutical company BioNTech. This vaccine is based on their prior research on cancer immunology. Has said that this BNT162b1 vaccine is an RNA vaccine. If you don't know, I would like to tell you that the genome of coronavirus also constitutes of RNA. So this vaccine also consists of RNA. It is an RNA vaccine. That the genetic information of the SARS-CoV-2 virus is transferred into the cells of the human beings with the help of the lipid nanoparticles present in our body, then transforms this genetic information into the protein. Now what this protein will do? This protein will stimulate our body's immune reaction to the novel coronavirus, and hence in this way we will be treated and we will get prevention from the coronavirus. So provided the information that the first medical test of this vaccine BNT162b1 will involve 200 health workers, the age of whom will be between 18 to 55 years. The goal of this test is to determine the immune response and to know whether this vaccine can cause any undesirable side effects or not. The leader of the scientists have also claimed that the testing for this vaccine will be completed by the end of June 2020. Once this stage of testing is completed, the Paul Ehrlich Institute regulatory body will determine if the vaccine can proceed with further trials. Part of the story has two parts, the bad part and the good part. The good part I have already told you, and the bad part is that the officials have also said that vaccine is unlikely to be ready for the general public in 2020 because it has to pass through various stages. Now I am going to tell you about the stages for vaccine development. The first step is viral analysis. Second step is the development of the vaccine. The third step is animal testing. The animal which is most commonly used is, all of you know, mice. The fourth step of vaccine development is human trials. The fifth step is approval by EMA or FDA. EMA is European Medical Agencies and FDA is US Food and Drug Administration. And the final step of vaccine development involve mass production of the vaccine. So these 6 steps are followed in the production. This BNT162b1 BioNTech company is working with another very famous pharmaceutical company, Pfizer company, to develop 3 other similar mRNA vaccine. The testing for the vaccine is being conducted by the Oxford University, which has launched the human testing phase for its COVID-19 vaccine, and which will start from 23 April 2020, while another vaccine developed by Imperial College will also soon begin safety testing. The Oxford trial is testing the ChAdOx1 nCoV-19 vaccine. Yes, the name of the second vaccine is ChAdOx1 nCoV-19 vaccine. Now, what is this ChAdOx1 nCoV-19? This is a candidate based on chimpanzee adenovirus that was modified to include the spike or S protein on the surface of SARS-CoV-2 virus. It will be tested in around 500 volunteers and will focus on safety and tolerability. To do the assessment that how effective is this vaccine in stimulating the immune response against SARS-CoV-2 virus. Another vaccine candidate is developed by the Imperial College, which uses similar approach to the vaccine developed by biotech Moderna. It is the name of the another pharmaceutical company. Moderna candidate is already in clinical trials. Imperial College messenger RNA vaccine has been in animal testing since February. It could be ready for human testing in June. If vaccine passes all the human tests, then they have to pass further tests also to get approved. So I think this is going to take a lot of time to get a fully effective vaccine against coronavirus. So is there anything we can else do to control this pandemic and to treat coronavirus? As a medical student, what I know is there is one technology which is not very much developed now, but it is going to bring revolution in medical science in the coming future in the next 20 to 30 years. This technology is believed that it can cure HIV/AIDS, it can cure cancer in the upcoming years, it can cure genetic diseases. These all are the diseases which do not have any treatment. The name of this technology is CRISPR. Research is to be done on this technology. What is CRISPR? CRISPR can be humanity next virus killer. We do not have anything which can kill virus. We have things that can kill bacteria. These things are known as antibiotics, but we do not have anything that can kill virus. It stands for clusters of regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. CRISPR is a technology that can be used to edit genes, and as such will likely change the world. If you want to know more about CRISPR, then you can Google it or you can read various articles related to CRISPR. Hope you like the video, then please do not forget to share it with your friends and with everyone you know, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.